Tell my friends to pinch me hard, cause it couldn't be real. Is this a dream I'm living? Lord, let me please, cause I can't get over you. I'll be pretty on the suit, be tiptoeing like you, if you're down for it. Got nothing else to do, and nothing else to lose, and I'm down for this. Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. Nothing to be said, but what you say. If you're in the mood, we can take some to the moon. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. Nothing to be said, but what you say. If you're in the mood, we can take some to the moon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Bu Fahmi dari SMA Wachid Taman, guru bahasa Indonesia, dan di sini juga sebagai PengMas SMA Wachid Hasyim Taman. Terima kasih kepada Universitas Telkom yang telah melaksanakan pengabdian masyarakat kepada anak-anak SMA Wachid Hasyim Taman untuk materi Excel. Alhamdulillah anak-anak semakin memahami dari materi yang disampaikan kepada anak-anak kami dari mahasiswa Universitas Telkom. Terima kasih teman-teman mahasiswa, sukses selalu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.